Nice. Let's break down the adjustment here. Take a deep breath in for me. Let it all the way out. Alright. What we're going to do is we're going to get this guy adjusted. We're going to balance his spine. We're going to look at the different reflexes and the way the body is working here. First thing we want to do is we want to look at the feet. That's going to give us a balance and idea. As he lays here, his right foot is flared out compared to his left foot. So we're going to put his heels together, and his right leg pulls short compared to his left leg. Okay, that shows us there's some issues in the right sacroiliac joint and up in the neck as well. Now we just have to decide where it's at. So we're going to put some stress on the joints and through here, and we're going to kind of watch what happens with the feet. We're going to just let the body settle back in. Okay. Now his feet stay pretty even when we do that. Okay. Just hold your feet up there for me. Okay. We're going to let him settle in. We see the right leg's a little further back. Actually, balance. You are a better person to show this on. We can show it on Jessica too. Turn your head to the right for me. Okay. When we do that, that causes the left leg to go long. Go to the right. Or the other way. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Causes the right leg to go long. Okay, and all the way down. Face down here. So you can tell this guy gets adjusted all the time because he's pretty balanced. So we're going to feel for the palpation. We're going to feel where the joints are stuck. We got up here on the right. So we're going to drop your head down. We're going to move this bone. There we go. Fantastic. And we're going to compensate on the lower side on the left. So breathe in. Right at C5, C6. Drop it down. There we go. Excellent. So we're going to adjust in here. Get the student neck from being hunched over there. There we go. Release the tension over the diaphragm. And check out the spine. Just a little restriction at L4. Take a deep breath in. And let it out. Torque it out. There we go. And one more here. Relax your shoulder. Perfect. Alright, lay on your right side. Good. In there. Cross over here. Right. That was it. Good job.
Oh, beautiful.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
All right, you're welcome.